So the debate's gonna rev up again as to who has had the greater career, Cristiano Ronaldo or Lionel Messi. Debate catch fire again after CR7 came up with a double to help Portugal win their opening game in the Euros. Remember now, despite all his skillful brilliance, Messi is yet to win a senior football title, while Ronaldo and his Portugal team are in the process of defending the European title. Of course, they basically cancel out each other at the club level, with Ronaldo having the statistical edge in the biggest league of them all, the Champions League, including that historic three-peat with Real Madrid. So with both the Copa and the European Championships happening at the same time, with both Ronaldo and Messi playing in good teams, I think this is the perfect platform to settle the argument once and for all. Any one of them who can lead their team further into their respective tournament win the greatness competition. Yes. Remember now, this is not a skill or talent contest. Messi would win that. But we're talking about football greatness. And everybody know what me think already. Yes. I think Messi is better, but Ronaldo is greater. Yes. Messi better, but Ronaldo greater. Yes. Google it.